Hello everyone! Welcome back to Bun's Drawing Channel. Today, Bun has a very interesting question for you. Guess what? We're going to draw today. Bun will give you a little hint. This is very refreshing, sweet, and often eaten on hot summer days. Have you guessed it yet? That's right. We're going to draw a delicious and cute ice cream cone. Before we begin, please prepare your paper and pens to draw with Bun. Let's get started. To draw a beautiful ice cream cone, follow along with Bun step-by-step. While you're drawing, Bun will tell you an interesting story about the ice cream cone. Would you like to hear it? If so, let's draw and listen to the story together. In a small ice cream shop, there was a very special ice cream cone named Mimi. Mimi had pink and green ice cream topped with a red cherry. Every time someone entered the shop, Mimi always caught their eye. One day, a little child came into the shop and chose Mimi. When the child licked a spoonful of ice cream, they smiled brightly and said, "It's amazing!" Mimi felt very happy because it had made the little child happy. It understood that, even though it only existed for a short time, every moment bringing joy to others was the most important thing. And from then on, Mimi was no longer sad when it melted, because it knew it had made life sweeter and more joyful. Did you enjoy the story Bun just told? If you liked it, don't forget to give Bun a like, so Bun can tell even more interesting stories. Now, let's add some decorations around the picture to make it more lively. While drawing, please read the names of the shapes aloud with Bun.
Circle, circulo, square, quadrado, triangular, triangulo, diamond, rhombo, heart shape, forma di corazon, rectangle, rectangulo.
Awesome! We've finished the picture. Have you all finished your pictures? Don't forget to show them to your parents for lots of compliments. Now, let's play a little game. The color selection wheel. Are you ready? If you're ready, let's begin.
Yellow, amarillo, yellow, amarillo, yellow, amarillo, yellow, amarillo, yellow, amarillo. Purple, purpura, purple, purpura, purple, purpura, purple, purpura, purple, purpura. Orange, Noranya, orange, Noranya, orange, Noranya, orange, Noranya, orange, Noranya. Red, Rojo, red, Rojo. Red. Rojo. Blue. Azul. Blue. Azul. Blue. Azul. Blue. Azul. Blue. Azul. Pink. Rosa. Pink. Rosa. Pink. Rosa. Pink. Rosa. Green. Verde. Green. Verde. Green. Verde. Green. Verde. Green. Verde.
So, we've finished coloring. Now, let's count together how many decorations are around our picture. Come on, let's count out loud.
1. No. 2. Das. 3. Ders. 4. Cuatro. 5. Cinco. 6. Seis.
So, we now have 6 decorative shapes around us. I wonder what those shapes are and what colors they are. Let's all read aloud the names of the shapes and their colors together.
Square. Cuadrado. Circle. Circulo. Triangular. Triangulo. Heart shape. Forma di corazon. Diamond. Rombo. Rectangle. Rectangulo. Purple. Purpura. Orange. Naranja. Red. Rojo. Yellow. Amarillo. Pink. Rosa. Green. Verde. Blue. Azul.
Great, we finished drawing. How about you? Are you done? Remember to share this picture with your friends, and don't forget to show it to your parents. Goodbye, everyone. This is the finished drawing. Remember to turn on notifications to see more cute drawing videos. Goodbye, everyone. See you in the next video.